want y'all to see how it looked before I spray the detail spray on it that I just caught. Well, I done had it for a minute. I had it since I had my Challenger. But yeah, pay attention right there. Watch y'all switch it up. That was just a quick little spray down. Now I'm saying a little detail spray. That bitch shining though. I ain't even had to go to the car wash. See it like I can, but that bitch shining like a motherfucker, boy. They who got down fucking hard in them motherfucker. Round with the goddamn crew, boy. Round with the crew, boy. I forgot to record earlier, but shit. Been sliding them motherfucker. Yeah, boy, we been riding. Yes, sir. Get out the way. Fuck this here. Do we got a song? Nah, it's a bass. It's a bass. Thought I had something. Thought I had me something. I gotta slow down, bro. I done love the goddamn crew, man. Fuck. I don't even know how fast I was going, shit. Damn, they fought that. Dang, boy. I love them, bro. That shit ain't right. I love them though, man. That shit ain't right, man. Them boy catching up now. Boy caught up, man. Go around me, man. Why not? Motherfucker want to stay behind me and shit. I'm trying to get their cars on this motherfucker. There we go. Somebody going around. Got a couple on. They There go one. There they go. Yeah. Decided to go the other way. Shit, I'm with it. I go to somebody that's RT, I think. Line these motherfucker, boy. Yes, sir. I don't know what y'all just seen, bro. They won't even talk speed, though. You know what I'm saying? That's all I could do, cause traffic. But shit, that's all a nigga could do, man. That motherfucker be trying to do everything, boy. So it's the next day. I ain't get to record none of the goddamn process of me getting pulled over, none of that, man. Cause I was so heated. He tried to goddamn give me tickets for stuff I ain't even do. You feel me? So basically, he was trying to say that I ran the light for one, and this car like just slammed on brakes in front of me. So I swerved around the car, you know what I'm saying, just so I went and hit him. You know what I'm saying? So he gave me a warning for that, whatever that's called. I ended up getting a ticket for not using my signal light when I swerved the car. Like, come on, man. So you know we going to court and we gonna beat that. Cause they really just trying to goddamn mess with your boy, man. But other than that, man, I'm gonna let y'all see how the car looked after I sprayed it. Cause you know it was dark. It was dark when I tried to show y'all the other day, or last night. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna show y'all how it look now. And it looked pretty good, man. I ain't even gonna lie. So yeah, man, I'm finna turn the camera around real quick so y'all can see. So yeah, man, that detail spray actually did make it seem like I actually took my car to the wash, and I didn't though. You see what I'm saying? So I need to do that more often. I ain't even gotta hit the car wash or nothing. You saw that junk shining, bro? Like, come on, man, that's glass, and I ain't even wash it, bro. Y'all seen how dirty it was. All I did was like just get back here, you know what I'm saying, with a tire. I know for a fact though, dirt at. You know what I'm saying? I wiped the wheels down. I wiped that one down in the front too. But yeah, man, that's how it look, bro. Can't tell me that junk ain't clean. And I'm gonna hit the dude up today. Well, not today, probably tomorrow. So, cause I want to see how much he gonna charge me to retint my front windows, and how much to do the front sun, what that junk called, the sun strip, whatever that shit is. I'm gonna do that, and then like I said, I'm gonna order the tint for these side markers and the tail lights, and we're gonna put those on probably this weekend if they come in. If they don't come in this weekend, we're gonna try to put them on ASAP. You see what I'm saying? And y'all need to let me know if I should take that red off or keep it, man, because y'all did not let me know in my last video. So y'all need to let me know that. But yeah, man, I'm at work, about to crank that bitch up though. Get out a little. It ain't even a cold start. You know what I'm saying? But folks to be watching me, bro. Don't let me be great. But yeah, that my homeboy charging me. I'm trying to get them wheels, man, but I thought about it, man. Them wheels ain't gonna fit on my car. Yeah, though, man. Let's go ahead and crank it up real quick. Too much attention got, you know, cause them folk will mill with it. Yeah, though. Y'all know we gotta stay safe around this one. Oh yeah, these lights on this side fell down too, so I gotta get some Velcro today. God dang, and put them back up. Heck yeah, though, man. That should be it for this video. This is gonna be like a quick little video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and appreciate y'all for helping me. You know what I'm saying, on this journey. Like I said, we going up. We a family, we a gang, you know what I'm saying? Rare gang to the end, you feel me? So you already know how we coming. Just make sure y'all stay tuned, man. Make sure y'all stay tuned. Something big on the way for the summer. Something big on the way, you know what I'm saying, in the near future. So y'all make sure y'all keep up, man. Turn that post notification bell on, so every time I drop something, it'll pop up. Y'all ain't gotta wait. Y'all ain't gotta hear about it. You know what I'm saying? Hey, man. Say, man, hey, I thought about it though, man. I might not even take these wheels off, man. I don't know. Y'all let me know.